Welcome back to RV Road Report, your home for real-deal RV insights, from compact campers to road-dominating beasts. And today, buckle up for something brilliant. Presenting the Bailey Motorhome, dressed in a glossy bright red and white armor and rolling confidently on a 4x4 chassis. This machine is more than just a travel companion. It's a statement. Whether you're into scenic coastlines, muddy off-roads, or weekend getaways, this model offers a unique blend of durability, comfort, and style. So settle in, we're going full tour mode, inside, outside, and everything in between. Exterior front view. Let's start strong with the front view, captured right inside Bailey's polished showroom. That iconic Bailey badge sits square on a bold grille design that blends minimalism with muscle. Framed by dual-layer LED headlights and a slightly elevated bonnet for better airflow and rugged appeal, this front screams road royalty. The paint finish is so sleek, it reflects everything around. No dull coats here. You'll also spot front parking sensors, a reinforced bumper with tow hooks, and side indicators tucked neatly into the wing mirrors. Pure function wrapped in stunning form. Topside view. Climb with us, or at least let the drone do it, as we inspect the topside layout of this smart rig. Mounted securely are dual 120-watt solar panels, supplying eco-friendly power to your internal systems. Beside them is a low-profile AC unit that keeps the entire interior cool without ruining aerodynamics. An omnidirectional antenna ensures crisp signal reception for TV and Wi-Fi. To top it off, you've got roof vents with insect screens and weather shields, subtle additions that prove this roof built for more than just rain cover. Backside view. Swing around back and you're greeted by utility and style all in one glance. The extra tire sits on a robust steel frame, easy to access and protected by a mold cover bearing the Bailey logo. Right beneath, you'll find a double-arm cycle carrier, adjustable for 2 bikes, with anti-theft locks and easy fold-down for quick loading. Rear reversing sensors and a high-mounted camera complete the safety profile. Tail lights stretch across both corners in a vertical cluster, sharp, clean, and visible even in foggy mountain mornings. Side view. Let's hit the side view where outdoor living takes center stage. A retractable awning powered by a whisper-quiet motor extends wide enough to shade a full picnic setup. Beneath it, a drop-down LED light strip adds evening ambience, and there's even a side power outlet, perfect for plugging in a grill or outdoor heater. You'll notice the tinted side windows, built with thermal insulation to keep heat out and comfort in. Door access is easy via a soft-close grab handle with motion sensor lighting for those late-night campsite strolls. Driving compartment. Slide into the driving cockpit, and it's a mix of plush comfort and cutting-edge control. 2 touchscreen LED panels dominate the dashboard, one for your standard entertainment, GPS navigation, and media, and another dedicated to a real-time rear-view camera feed, complete with parking assist. Ergonomic leather seats come with dual armrests, and the panoramic windshield offers crystal-clear views. You'll find cruise control, lane assist, and integrated voice controls, all part of a smart dash that ensures safety meets style. Sitting and sleeping area. Now let's head to the heart of comfort, the living and sleeping area. During the day, you're lounging on a plush L-shaped sofa setup, built with memory foam cushions and washable upholstery. At night, it folds down effortlessly into a double bed, complete with a retractable privacy curtain and night lamps on both sides. USB charging ports are mounted right into the side panels, and overhead lockers offer ample space for blankets, books, or even your snack stash. The windows here include blackout blinds and insect screens, perfect for a restful night under any sky. Kitchen. Compact, clever, and built for real cooking, this kitchenette is more than meets the eye. A 2-burner gas hob, a stainless steel sink with a glass lid, and a 90L mini-fridge make meal prep a breeze. Under-counter drawers glide smoothly and include soft-close mechanisms. A pull-out spice rack and overhead shelves give everything a spot. Even better, a flip-up extension panel gives you extra counter space when you need it. This kitchen may be small, but trust me, it packs a flavorful punch. Washroom. Step into the cleverly crafted washroom, where space is maximized with sharp design. A cassette toilet with electric flush is nestled beside a foldable wash basin. Overhead, a mirror cabinet gives you grooming space, and the side features a retractable shower head with curtain for quick, clean showers. There's even a towel warmer rack built into the side and an air vent above for ventilation. For a motorhome, this feels closer to a smart hotel pod. Small but mighty. And there you have it. The full tour of the impressive Bailey Motorhome, an eye-catching 4x4 powerhouse with brains, brawn, and breathtaking design. The price? Just £78,000, making it one of the most value-packed luxury motorhomes in its class. Now it's your turn. Did you like the features? Got questions? Dreaming of one? Force that like button, pound the share icon, subscribe to RV Road Report, and don't forget, your thoughts belong in the comments. This is how road legends are made.